Hello friends, welcome back. Really glad that you're here. This is just going to be a quick little video today. I wanted to show off some of these patterns that I've just received in my shop. They are now listed, but I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about Pineberry. So let me show you. I don't literally have that many, there's just duplicates. So here's this first cute one. This is Stars and Windows. And I think this is going to be a really cute pattern if you have a fabric that you really want to show off, because you get these nice big squares of these cute fabrics that you can really display. I'm excited to make this one together. This one is called Split Stars. This one's a little bit more of a simple block, but I think it is so cool with that plus sign down the middle. And I think it looks like a window. And I think that's pretty cool. Then we have Cascade Falls. This is by Amy Smart. It is the same creator that did our Fly the Flag pattern that we just did for our first class. And I loved the instructions and I thought they were very helpful. So I'm excited to try another one of her patterns in this Cascade Falls. I think it is so cute. I'm just looking at all of those half square triangles. Are we so lucky or what? And then the next one is Summer Picnic. I think these are really neat. I've done a similar pattern to this one, but I just kind of like the layout. So this is really designed to be a Scrappy quilt, but I think we could pick a bundle and make this work just as well. And then last but not least, this isn't anything new, but I did restock on Pineberry, so I've got quite a few now. So if you've been waiting for one, I have them back in stock. This is going to be our next class. I will show you the tester blocks on Thursday's video, and I'll give you exact dates and everything then, but here's like a quick little rundown. If you would like to join Pineberry class, the ticket is $25. That will get you the Zoom link and a physical copy of the pattern. I will also be selling fabric for this specific colorway with the greens and the pinks. And then I will also have a colorway with a navy background and red berries. So like I said, I'll show you those blocks on Thursday. But if you would like to join that class, I would love to have you. I got so much good feedback from the Fly the Flag class that I really can't wait to do another one together. And something that I did say in Fly the Flag is that, like, technically, yes, it says class, but I feel like this is more of a workshop and just kind of like we just get to sew together and help each other out and give advice where we can. And it was a really, really cool experience. And so I really hope that you guys join us for this one. I wouldn't say that this is beginner friendly, but it isn't hard either. You know what I mean? So it's just a lot of structure and putting things together, but there's no crazy cuts or crazy techniques or anything in there. I love this one. I think it is so cute. So I will see you on Thursday for a sewing video, but I will show off the Pineberry colorways, both of them, to you. And then on Thursday, that will be the official day that you can pre-order your quilt kit if you are interested in it. So we'll have an option for a $25 class and pattern, and then we'll have an option for the fabric, which I think is about $85. So in total, if you got the class and the pattern, that'd be $110. So only 10 bucks more than last time, but you get so many cute fabrics in there. So, and that will be fabrics for the berries, the flowers, the leaves, the background, and that border. So you'll get a whole quilt top from that quilt kit. Okay, that's all. Also, spoiler alert, I will be wearing the same exact outfit on Thursday. So don't think you're having deja vu. I'm actually going to make it right after this one. We will see you then. Goodbye.